New Perplexity Computer update is insane. Perplexity just dropped something nobody saw coming. They now let you run GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro at the same time. 3 of the smartest AI brains on the planet. One prompt, one answer. And today I'm going to break the whole thing down for you. This changes everything. Let's get into it. So here's what just happened. Perplexity launched something called Model Council, and it's wild. Before this, every AI tool worked the same way. You type a prompt, one model reads it, one model answers it, done. That's it. That's how ChatGPT works. That's how Claude works. That's how Gemini works. One brain, one shot, one answer. And look, sometimes that answer is great, but sometimes it's wrong. Sometimes it makes stuff up. Sometimes it misses things and you wouldn't even know because you only got one opinion. Now think about this. What if instead of asking one AI, you asked 3 at the same time? And then a 4th AI looked at all 3 answers and picked the best parts from each one. That's exactly what Perplexity just did. That's Model Council. You type one prompt, it goes to GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro all at once. All 3 models think about your question, all 3 give their answer. Then an orchestrator model, like a judge, reads all 3 responses, compares them, finds where they agree, finds where they disagree, and builds you one final answer from the best of all 3. That's not just an upgrade, that's a whole new way of using AI, and here's why this matters more than you think. Every model has blind spots. GPT is amazing at reasoning and coding. Claude is incredible at planning and handling huge tasks. Gemini is a beast at research and working with big data, but none of them are perfect at everything. So when you only use one, you get one perspective, one set of strengths, one set of weaknesses. With Model Council, the weaknesses cancel out if GPT gets something wrong, but Claude and Gemini get it right. The orchestrator catches that. If Gemini misses a detail, but GPT nails it, that detail still makes it into your final answer. It's like having 3 experts in a room instead of 1, and a moderator making sure you get the best take. Let me give you a real example so this clicks. Say you ask, build me a marketing strategy for a new AI startup. If you just ask ChatGPT, you get a solid plan, good structure, good reasoning. If you just ask Claude, you get a really detailed plan, great for long-term thinking, but maybe it overcomplicates things. If you just ask Gemini, you get a plan loaded with data and research, but maybe it's a bit dry and hard to act on. Now with Model Council, you get all 3 plans, and then the orchestrator pulls the best structure from GPT, the best strategy depth from Claude, and the best data from Gemini, and gives you one answer that's better than any single model could do alone. That's the power of this. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you drop one below. Seriously, he reads them all. Now, let me break down the 3 models so you understand what's under the hood. First, GPT 5.4. This is OpenAI's latest. It's incredible at reasoning. It's incredible at coding. It handles long, complex prompts really well. If you need something that thinks step by step and doesn't lose the plot halfway through, GPT 5.4 is your go-to. Second, Claude Opus 4.6. This is from Anthropic. It's built for agent tasks. That means it can handle really long, multi-step work. Think big code bases. Think planning out entire projects. It can work with massive amounts of context, up to 1 million tokens. That's like feeding it an entire book. And it still keeps track of everything. Third, Gemini 3.1 Pro. This is Google's model. It's a research machine, deep analysis, huge data sets, multimodal, meaning it can work with text, images, all of it. And because it's Google, it plugs right into that whole ecosystem. Search, docs, everything. So you've got the best reasoning model, the best agent model, the best research model, all running on your one prompt. At the same time, that's what Perplexity just gave you. Now, here's the part most people are sleeping on. You get to choose the orchestrator. The orchestrator is the model that takes all 3 answers and builds the final one. You pick which AI plays judge. So if you want GPT to be the one synthesizing everything, you can do that. If you want Claude to be the judge, go for it. You're in control of how the final answer gets built. That's a level of customization nobody else is offering right now. And by the way, if you want to go even deeper with stuff like this, and you want to learn how to use AI tools like Perplexity to actually scale your business and get more customers, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. Link is in the description. It's the best place to learn how to use AI automation to grow, especially with tools like Perplexity, GPT, Claude, all of it. The link is right there. Go check it out. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second because I want you to see the bigger picture here. For the last 2 years, the entire AI race has been about one question. Who is the best model? OpenAI says it's them. Google says it's them. Anthropic says it's them. And they keep going back and forth. New model, benchmark, leaderboard, repeat. But Perplexity just flipped the script. They said, we're not going to pick one winner. We're going to use all of them together. So that's a completely different game. The question is no longer who has the best model. The question is now who has the best orchestration, who can take multiple AI brains and make them work as a team. And right now, Perplexity is leading that charge. Think about where this goes next. Right now, it's 3 models. But what happens when it's 5, 10? What happens when the orchestrator can automatically pick which models to use based on your question? Like it sees you asked a coding question, so it sends it to the 2 best coding models and skips the rest. Or it sees you asked a research question, so it leans on Gemini and adds Claude for the long context stuff. That's where this is heading. Smart AI systems that build their own team of models for every single prompt. That's not science fiction. That's the next 12 months. And here's why you should care right now. Okay? If you're using AI for your business, for content, for research, for anything, you want the most accurate answer you can get. You don't want hallucinations. You don't want one model's blind spot messing up your work. Model Council fixes that. 3 models checking each other. An orchestrator pulling the best from each. It's like having a built-in fact checker and quality control system for free inside Perplexity. Let me walk you through how to actually use this. Step 1, open Perplexity Computer. Step 2, turn on Model Council. You'll see the option right there. Step 3, pick your models. Right now it's GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Step 4, choose your orchestrator model. Step 5, type your prompt. Step 6, watch all 3 models run at the same time and then see the final combined answer. It's that simple. And when you see all 3 responses side by side and then the synthesized answer, it hits different. You can literally see where the models agree and where they don't. That alone is worth it. So let's recap. Perplexity launched Model Council. It runs 3 frontier AI models in parallel on every prompt. GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. An orchestrator model combines the best of all 3 into one answer. You pick the orchestrator, it reduces hallucinations, it gives you better, more accurate answers, and it's a sign of where the entire AI industry is heading. Multi-model systems, AI teams, not just one chatbot. This is the future, and it's here right now. Now, if you want to learn how to use tools like Perplexity's Model Council to actually grow your business and get more customers with AI automation, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best community for learning how to put these AI tools to work for real results. Link is in the description and the comments. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about Model Council. Are you going to try it? Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next video.